Letting him rest. Thank you, Chris. Good job.
These guys are fucked. These guys are fucked. Now they're getting chased so hard and this dude having no loot.
Here, better here than nowhere, anywhere else. Cracked one.
Oh, on health there, but I'm dead. Heal fully. Hesitate. He's good
Gotcha.
at that.
Lost that, jeez. Things to him, what man? He needs to beam him, he needs to beam him. Oh, he's only got a CX.
Yeah.
Challenge should have this. They just got everything.
That's a bait. That's a bait. Don't do it.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice name.
Charging. On. Good job, Pink.
Pushing for it.
Nice work.
See me? 45.
I can go inside.
One tap. Charge this. Down below.
He's not on the roof.
45.
He must be on health.
Zoning.
132.
Good shit. Good shit. Okay, back around the other side of the building. 50 over here. We're right behind our crew, that's why. It's right behind them. .48 right here.
Okay, have.
I got that kill. One right here. 40 on fuse.
He's 70 health. Was. He's on health again.
One's down. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good cover. I just built behind me and I trusted you.
There in the high ground. Radfox and PinkPWNAGE, the only ones.
Dark Shade takes down Alexandria with the M60.
Dark Shades and Dark Shade. PinkPWNAGE and Radfox.
Have the zone.
Good defense. Gonna push them out of the spot there at the high ground. Only person in zone, they're gonna keep grabbing meat sticks and just sending them.
Radfox dropping some builds for Pink.
I don't know why they're gonna push so heavy with so low.
Radfox takes down Darshay. Snake Shay's one tap. And there it is.
Snake Shades with an M10.
Game one.
Ice Division. PinkPWNAGE and Radfox, go figure.
Always stand
Probably
stacked
one of the
up.
best duos. Probably one of the best duos in here, Nightmare.
Builds. He's hurting.
Good job. We'll take first and a couple kills. Not a lot of kills, but whatever.
Zone. PinkPWNAGE and Radfox making themselves a little build.
On this body, there's all kinds of deals and everything. They can get up.
Ozeru got a pretty good spot too. Frickles takes down Tiffins.
Okay, build a fortress.
I don't have builds for them.
I need your SMG. Thank you.
I have 30 bullets left. Okay.
Crack that person below. Alright, to zone, to zone.
Peek from this wall right here in Summit and zone where PinkPWNAGE and Radfox are coming.
Yeah,
is
that's
really
a
good position.
That's a great
'Cause once
spot
that
now.
zone starts
That the
moving,
zone moved.
everybody's gonna have to come this way. And now they got the drop with a gold RFB and a gold DT11. Plenty of heals, plenty of grenades.
I'm thinking they might take game here. 3.
I'm gonna go ahead and save this prediction. We got Frickles the Clown. We got plenty of people though, different positions, so they kind of need to wait it out, pick a team and stack them up. Honestly, OJ Rue by himself up there, frying in the zone, taking 5 hits.
Yeah.
He's got to get out of there, but
Snake Shade's trying to make their way in now too.
He's gonna try to res Tippins. Tippins gets off.
Ojiru outside of zone. Radfox with the snipe. Frickles takes down Snake Shades. And here comes PinkPWNAGE.
Gets Frickles the Clown. Sammy, last one left. PinkPWNAGE, Radfox with the push, put the pressure down, but the zone's gonna burn her up. Sammy dies outside of the zone.
PinkPWNAGE and Radfox. Ooh, zone's hurting though. Sammy's got to get inside.
Got a banana. Get out there.
Darkshade and Snake Shades are trapped. Darkshade goes down. Can't build out of an M60. I'm sorry.
What a waste. We ain't scared of that. Hurt. In the corner. Screwed. Royally screwed. Wow, they made it out of that. Woo! M60.
Nowhere to get out of there. Radfox is trying to break them builds now. Here comes Wolffish around the corner coming in from the zone. Left Sammy alone.
Sammy pushes Alexandria.
Down on Alexandria. Alexandria takes her out with the RSB. Alexandria
Now Morpheus in trouble.
Hurt. On health. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Radfox with the high ground. Takes out Alexandria.
PinkPWNAGE dropping down with the Matadors now.
Jumps down to finish.
Another win for PinkPWNAGE and Radfox.
I missed. Point blank. DT. Damn it. Damn it. I screwed up.